Today we're answering a viewer's question on how often to say our intentions, how to ignore our current reality, and yeah, so that's what we're going to talk about today. Stay tuned. Amanda here from createyourfuture.co. So I'm a law of attraction coach, and today we're going to talk about mental diets and ignoring your current reality. Okay, so if you haven't already subscribed, definitely subscribe, hit the bell icon below, because I do put out new videos every Sunday, Wednesday, and Friday, each one of them designed to help you create something wonderful in your life. And if you're looking for any coaching, there is email and also video coaching in the description below. Definitely check it out. I intend to be able to talk during this video, and I intend for this video to be very helpful for everyone who watches it. Okay, so it's actually a subscriber question. Basically, they want to know how often do they keep saying their intentions, and how often should they say them, and how to ignore their current reality. So first of all, you want to create your intentions from thinking from the end. So basically, you create the intention saying, okay, well, you know what? He calls me every day. He always talks to me. We are together. We are in a happy relationship. So you create all your intentions from what your thoughts would be if you were already in a relationship with that person. And then what you want to do is you want to say your intentions every time you have a negative thought. You want to stop that thought or a doubt or a limiting belief, and you say, no, you know what? He does want to be with me. He is a loving, caring person, etc., etc. So how often do you say your intentions? You say your intentions every single time you have a doubt. Now, you may not want to say every intention if you've got a huge list of them. So you would want to basically change your doubt into a positive intention. So for instance, Jerry just doesn't want to be with me. I don't understand why. No, my thoughts create, and I know Jerry wants to be with me, and Jerry wants a relationship. Oh, why doesn't Jerry call me? He's always so busy. No, I intend for Jerry to call me, and Jerry always makes time for me. Okay. So that's really what you want to do. So you want to focus on and make sure that any thought that you have on the subject is always a positive thought. One in line with your intentions and living from the end. So basically what that does is if you hold a thought long enough, it turns into a belief. So when you start saying and creating these intentions and focusing on them, then they start to manifest in your reality. And then they do get imprinted on your subconscious mind, because the thoughts that we hold are the ones that we start to create into belief. Okay. Now, how do you ignore your current reality? That's a very good question. The first thing to understand is your current reality is a result of yesterday's thoughts, the day before's thoughts, the week before's thoughts. Now, we all realize our thoughts create, and we can all go back and see, yeah, my insecurities caused that. I can totally see how I caused that. We have to be strong and say, no, you know what? I'm going to ignore this current reality, because if we keep entertaining and dwelling on the current reality that we're seeing, then we're going to just get more of it. Okay. So we tell ourselves, no, you know what? That's fine. My thoughts created that. It was my previous thoughts. I'm going to change that right now, because everyone is me pushed out. My thoughts create, and this is what I'm going to create now. Okay. And every time that you ignore your reality and you change it into a positive intention, you create that much more of a stronger, power behind your intentions, and they're going to manifest a lot quicker. So remember, your current reality is just a result of your previous thoughts. It's okay. It's like this whole thing is a dream, okay? And we create with our thoughts. So if we want something different in our reality, then we've got to start changing our thoughts. And your current reality is just the way it is because of previous thoughts. You created it. So guess what? You can change it. Okay. So yeah, it just takes a moment. You know what? When you look at your reality, to avoid reacting to it is just to say, you know what? Okay, I get it. I created that before, and I'm going to create something different right now. Okay. That's the only way that we're going to get something different, is if we start thinking a different way. We change our thinking, we're going to change our reality. It's going to take a little bit, maybe a little bit more than others, to ignore what's showing up now. But it's like, no, it's okay. That's fine. I'm going to create something new, and I'm going to do it right now, because the more we react to it and focus on our current reality, the more we're going to get of it. And think of it this way. you know what? You be excited that you get to ignore your current reality, because that means it's going to go away and you can change it. It's an exciting time. It's like, no, I'm going to change that, you know? Anyways, yeah, so I hope that helps. That's my video for today. Thank you for sharing, liking, commenting, and subscribing. You guys are all amazing, and create something wonderful in your lives. See you in the next video. Bye-bye.